Welcome back everybody to another video, and in this video today we'll be going over fractional exponents, and these tips will help you on your SAT. So let's get started. So first we have to know what to do. So when we're given a base number like x and it's to the power of a fraction, and we need to find that. So we need to simplify this out. So x to the power of b over a, x is our base and it'll stay like that to the root, and our root is a, the denominator, and our power is b, the numerator. So we would always do the root first and then square it to whatever the amount b is. So let's get into an example. For our first one we have 9 to the power of 1/2. So first, when we write this out, our base would be 9, and then the cube, or the root, which is the a value, and the b value is a numerator, which is also the power. So our root would be 2 to the power of 1, and we can just write it like that. And 9 to the root of 2 is the same thing as square root of 9, so that would be 3, and then to the power of 1, that's going to be equal to 3, and that's our final answer. For our next problem, we have 27 to the 2/3. When we write this out, we would get 27 to the root, the a value to the power of the b value, and the a value here is 3, and the power is 2. So first we need to do what times what basically, or the cube root of 27. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and that doesn't work. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and that doesn't work. But 3 times 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, which is 27. So our cubed root would be 3, and then we have to move the power down. So 3 to the power of 2. And when we get that, we get 3 squared, which is 9. For our next problem, we have 81 to the power of 3/4. And we write this out, we'd get 81 as our base. Our a is the denominator, and our b is the numerator. And then we would root it to the value of a, which is 4, and to the power of power, which is the numerator, which is 3. So we need to do what times itself 4 times will give us 81. 1 times itself 4 times is just 1. 2 times itself 4 times is just 16. 3 times itself 4 times, that would be 9, 27, and 81. So we would get 3 here as the 4 root of 81, and then we would put it to the power of 3. We would basically do 3 to the cube, 3 cubed. And 3 cubed is 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3 is 27. So this is our final answer for 81 to the power of 3/4. Now for our last problem, we have 10 to the power of 4/2. So when we first write it out, we would get 10, and our a value is 2, and our b value is 4. But since we can't do the square root of 10, and it's going to give us like a decimal, what we can do is just simplify this number. So that would be 10 to the power of 2/1. We just reduce it down, and that's basically the same thing as 10 to the power of 2. And 10 squared is 100. So if you can reduce, make sure to reduce. If not, just do the steps told. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.